this live stream is going to be SPCL. Now we can see right off the bat here, this stock has had a lot of upwards movements here. I'm sure that we used to do our live streams here about a month and a half ago, but we decided to switch it over and bring it over to investorshangout.com right on the site to make it easier for everybody instead of jumping around to different sites, different locations. So we're bringing it over here. I really don't have too much of a record here looking through the past. It's been quite a while. Over on 10-3. I mean, that's not even really relevant anymore. But on October 3rd, when we went through SPCL, I'm trying to see if that's the last one. I think that might be. So on October 3rd, SPCL, we took a look at that, and it was 0013, and I put that on watch. Where's that? 01 now. So that was, what, 500% gain? Right? No, more than that. Right around anywhere from 500 to 800% gain from then. But like I said, that was 2 months ago. So we really can't count that. So we're going to start off fresh here. Like I said, SPCL. As I take a look here, Joe's going to see if he can, beginning in November, if anything really, any news or whatnot really triggered this thing to take off. Pull that up. There we go. So this is for stock SPCL. Looking back in the past, like I said, over here in October, is right around here when we looked at it last. And since then, this Bollinger Band got really tight in here. And you've seen that volume coming in. And that volume on November 7th, November 4th, it looks like a Friday, started moving. And on Monday, it just started taking off.
That's what the news. That's the one. Remember, I didn't. It was actually a few months ago when we did this, like this actual ticker. But this is the one I didn't notice that it was. The news was from 2015.
Okay.
Remember? And I was thinking it was from 2016, and like I didn't notice it until like the following day. You remember that?
Yeah.
It was basically the Vapor Mod. It was a free Vapor Mod device. It was a battery free.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't see any news recent. I'll check out the filings real quick.
Yeah, so this one's had a big move over here from October or November 4th and 7th is when it really started taking off. But I mean, the gains there, you're coming off of, like I said, between 0014, 0021 area and just taking straight off. We'll talk quite a bit.
Where is it right now?
Currently trading at 0092, but it got as high as 2 cents exactly. I mean, that's a big move considering we talked about it at 0013. I don't have any notes on who talked about that, but
Yeah,
all right, so
555% gain.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty serious gains right there.
Mm-hmm. Wait, what did it go up to though? What was the high?
2 cents.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so 0013 all the way up to 02.
Yeah, it's 1,328%.
Yeah, you can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. So right now, let's talk about right now. Okay, SPCL. We'll take a look at.
I remember when we were talking about that. Somebody had mentioned it's basically on speculation in regards to like some sort of a merger. I don't know with what company or whatnot. We're going back a few months now. I haven't paid attention to it, obviously.
Yeah. Right. All right, so over here with the SPCL, you're going to watch the basics, okay? The basics are going to be right here when it got outside that Bollinger Band. See the red candle started just pulling back. It didn't make too much of a move besides sideways, okay? You got the red candle right here, just went sideways and held that. Even on that volume dropping off, it still held steady going sideways. But once that volume came back, you see what happened here. All right, and that's what we're going to be paying attention to. We go over a lot of charts to try to take the story behind it, the news. we're not going to dig up every company. Me and Joe always say that. We're not going to dig up every single thing that, we look at. But if we can get a rough idea, especially as the stream grows, a lot of people are going to come in here very knowledgeable to the stream. Sheep Wolf, Ryan, these guys were, especially with the stream when we were doing it all the time, they were there. They had a lot of information they were adding. So right here, this is what you're looking at. I'm going to continue to watch it where it's at. I still think that it's going to come down a little bit, probably to the 7.6 area. The reason why I'm saying that is that it obviously didn't hold this line right here, which is a 10-day simple moving average. It tried right around this area. Okay, what's up here now is basically irrelevant. It got outside that Bollinger Band here, got outside right here, pulled back. Right here, it didn't really pull back too much, but you had that one day it got out, pulled back, but it just took off. I don't know exactly what happened on the 21st of November, but it was enough to push it up quite a bit. So once it fell through the Bollinger Band, it just lost its footing. And the volume wasn't too bad. It didn't really drop off too much. It just basically went sideways. What we're going to be looking at now is right here, this red line, the 20-day simple moving average, which is at 0.075. Considering the fact that it went through the 10-day simple moving average and didn't hold, it's just dropping down now. So I would go ahead to try to hope to see what happens here. So when we first started looking at this, it was at 0.092. You see it's at 0.085 now. It might be going down to test that now at the 7.6 area. All right. Now, if it doesn't hold that, okay, this 20-day simple moving average is obviously going to fluctuate up and down. Now, if it doesn't hold that, you start seeing that close right below there. Say we see a close at 0.073 today. There's a good chance tomorrow, in the next few days, you drop down to the dark blue line, the 30-day simple moving average. Now, I'm not trying to give you a horror story or anything like that. We're just telling you how we see it. And I would have given you the complete opposite if we were back here. Just like we put it back here on the 3rd. When we started seeing that candle coming up, and I put it on watch then. Yeah, it came back and up and down 2-3 more times before it really took off. So that's for SPCL.